Today I'm excited to walk you through a powerful charging solution I designed, a 20 kilowatt generator with a built-in adjustable voltage regulator. This system is engineered for anyone who needs reliable, flexible battery charging. Whether you're working off-grid, supporting a remote installation, or maintaining a large battery bank for backup power. And yes, the entire system is available for $2,495. Let's start with what makes this generator different. Most generators give you a fixed output. That's fine for general power, but not ideal when you're trying to charge batteries of different sizes, chemistries, or voltage requirements. That's why I integrated a fully adjustable voltage regulator, allowing you to dial in the exact charging voltage you need. Whether you're topping off a small 12-volt battery or pushing energy into a large 48-volt bank, this system gives you precise control. During this video, I'll be demonstrating several voltage settings so you can see how smoothly and accurately the regulator responds. As I adjust the control knob, watch how the output voltage rises and stabilizes. This is especially important for anyone managing sensitive battery systems. Overcharging and undercharging both shorten battery life, so having this level of control is a major advantage. Right now, you're seeing the generator output set to a low charging voltage. This is perfect for smaller batteries or for situations where you want a slow, gentle charge. As I increase the regulator, notice how the voltage climbs steadily. There's no jumping, no surging, just clean, controlled output. That's the benefit of a regulator designed specifically for battery charging rather than general power generation. Now I'm going to raise the voltage again, this time to a level suitable for mid-sized battery banks. If you're running solar, wind, or other renewable systems, this generator makes an excellent backup charger. When the weather doesn't cooperate, you can bring your batteries back to full capacity quickly and safely. Next, I'll push the voltage higher to demonstrate the upper range. This is where the 20 kilowatt capacity really shines. High-capacity battery banks like those used in off-grid cabins, workshops, or mobile power trailers need strong, stable charging power. This generator delivers exactly that. Even under heavy load, the voltage stays consistent and the regulator keeps everything within the safe charging window. One of the biggest advantages of this system is its versatility. Instead of buying multiple chargers or relying on equipment that wasn't designed for battery charging, you get a single, rugged generator that adapts to your needs. It's simple to operate, easy to maintain, and built to last. If you're interested in purchasing this generator, or if you have questions about compatibility with your battery setup, feel free to reach out. At $2,495, it's a powerful and cost-effective solution for anyone who needs dependable charging capability. Thanks for watching, and I hope this demonstration helps you understand what this generator can do. If you want to learn more about battery charging, voltage regulation, or off-grid power systems, check out the links and resources in the description.